Galpin Mazda, a proud member of the Galpin Motors family, consistently carries one of the largest selections of new Mazdas, so we are sure to have the one that's right for you. Come take a look today.
The 2015 Mazda 6 brings state-of-the-art technology, soulful design, and superb driving dynamics to the mid-size sedan segment. Built with Mazda's ultra fuel-efficient Skyactiv technology, power, performance, and fuel efficiency find their purest expression yet. Smarter, lighter, and stronger materials improve body rigidity, while advanced suspension and steering systems provide confidence-inspiring agility. Inside, you'll fall in love with the driver-centered cockpit. Audio, navigation, and Bluetooth functions are easy to control with the newly available Commander switch. Your vehicle also comes equipped with intuitive technology for instinctive safety, blind spot monitoring, dynamic stability control, and Mazda Radar Cruise Control keep you safe behind the wheel. The 2015 Mazda 6. When function and form are treated as one, engineering is elevated to an art form.
Great deals, great service, and great people. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Santa Clarita offers hundreds of vehicles to choose from and many amenities to take advantage of. Call, click, or visit Galpin Santa Clarita today. We are conveniently located at 23645 Creekside Road in Valencia or on the web at galpin.com.